Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox VR game. First, open Roblox Studio and navigate to the game settings. Under the Options tab, enable the VR setting to prepare your project for virtual reality. Next, ensure your VR headset, like an Oculus Quest 2 or Valve Index, is properly installed and its software is running. Finally, start a brand new project or open an existing one to begin building your immersive experience. Now, let's design your virtual world. Utilize Roblox Studio's robust tools to craft engaging and immersive environments. Remember to optimize your models and textures to ensure smooth performance, aiming for at least 90 frames per second for a comfortable VR experience. Pay close attention to player scale and movement, making sure interactions feel natural. Incorporate interactive elements such as doors, switches, or collectible items to enhance engagement for your players. Next, we'll dive into scripting the core VR mechanics. You'll want to implement intuitive player movement, perhaps using a teleportation system for easy navigation across your world. Create scripts for object interaction, allowing players to pick up, drop, or activate items. Remember to use local scripts for client-side VR experiences to ensure responsiveness. Thoroughly test all your interactions with a VR headset to guarantee a seamless and enjoyable user experience. Finally, it's time for rigorous testing and publishing. Playtest your game extensively using a VR headset to identify any bugs or discomfort. Gather feedback from a diverse group of testers to refine the experience. Once you're satisfied, publish your game to the Roblox platform, making it accessible to millions of players. Don't forget to promote your new VR game through social media and the Roblox community to attract a wide audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.